has several canyons that run through it, and we've taken some of the bottom areas that we can't plant to vine or to vegetable production, and we've replanted the native grasses in here. And so as you can see, the native grasses are just really flourishing. This stuff is some amazing food for wildlife, great habitat for all kinds of insects, both predators and beneficials that help us in the vineyards and in our other organic crops. So this is, again, we're still in Double Canyon. This leads down into the Dead Canyon, and Dead Canyon goes up to the vineyards. This is just another kind of example of some of the different grass, the CRP type grass that we planted on this side of the canyon. Again, great habitat. We're going to show you also that we're developing some wetlands in the process, and the wetlands are just probably one of the most biodiverse habitats that are out there. There's just so much, including dogs, that really benefit from all of the water. Plant some trees along the habitat as well, just to add some complexity. So it's really great to have this biodiversity that's right near our fields and our vineyards that allows us to maintain a great selection, a great place for predators and those things to help us manage the vineyards.
Okay.
So this is one of the original habitats that we planted and kind of we're experimenting with. As you can see, it was pretty intense. We sort of like this. It's a really neat habitat. It's got a lot of different things going on here. We planted a lot of shrubs in here, so there's a lot of food. There's a lot of different types of trees and shrubs in this habitat. It gets really thick in here. We're kind of standing in an open area right now so that you can see something, because some places back in here get kind of jungle-like, but we've got all kinds of food for wildlife and great habitat for insects, as you can see back there. Again, great habitat for Labradors. But what we don't like about this habitat, and we haven't really done another one of these, is that we obviously have to add water to this, and so it's not a natural habitat in that sense, and so we've kind of gone away from this and gone more towards the native grass style habitats along the waterways here. There's some subbing that goes on down here, down in here, so we do have some moisture in here, but it's not enough to maintain this style of tree. So we actually add water to this habitat here. But it's a pretty neat deal. And this is actually right on the very north end of Dead Canyon Vineyard. So this habitat really benefits our vineyard here, just a couple hundred yards away, and we'll take a shot of that. Okay, so this is Dead Canyon Vineyard. So we're kind of on the edge. I just wanted to give you a perspective a little bit about where we're at. So here's Dead Canyon Vineyard. Right here we have an organic vegetable crop. Actually, we've got beans right now. And then across the way there's the habitat that we just walked out of with the large trees and all the shrubs. And then the new planting of Dead Canyon Vineyard across the small canyon there.